Hello everybody, welcome to the IT Skills channel. My name is Aiden. In today's video, I'm going to show you more about Google Integravity. This is what Google Integravity looks like initially. It looks like VS Code, nothing distinctive about it. And the only difference is you can see this is Integravity by going into the help section about. It will tell you this is Google Integravity and it's one of the latest. And overall, everybody's forking it. Cursor did it, Creo doing it. So everybody's doing the same thing, forking VS Code. VS Code is open source, so anybody can do whatever they want with it. So overall, even though this looks like VS Code, it's nothing like it. It has the agents I was telling you, Cloud Code, Opus, Sonnet, Gemini, Flash Pro, you name it. GPT OSS. I don't know what is that doing here. It's the only one that doesn't belong in here. And then you got option for planning and fast. This is basically what you got. I am running for the planning mode, which is able to allow me to do things. For example, I also allow a lot of, currently I'm doing a Python in cooperation with an agent that will actually be able to use Chatterbox. That's what I'm building right now. So once I do the allow, it will go ahead install the Python requirement and everything else that it needs to be able to get this thing working for me. But that's not what I'm here for today is how do we connect a vibe coding into system administration? Well, I'm going to show you how. I made the app, and this is the app I made, or I use this one called Next.js. And here, I'm about to log in. And when I log in, just to kind of show you, this is going to use a Prism Central API, and it's going to allow me to do something like this, where I can see my Nutanix environment all directly from this website. It's pretty much the coolest thing you can do is to make life easier for yourself as a system administrator. So all this is designed for me is to be able to harness the power of the AI is by doing something that will actually be more practical. Everybody knows that AI is loaded. There's a lot of things you can do, but you need to be more mission focused. In here, I manage a home lab, in this case running Nutanix. What is the most pain point a lot of times we face is going to be, how do I know how many VMs I got? How do I know which IP is used? How do I know if the VM is on or off? This is great tool for us to look at it. I don't have to log into the Nutanix portal or the server I'm managing portal. I believe you can do this for any services, not just Nutanix, but I just do it for Nutanix. And I can just see this right away. And this is done with the API. And the most important things, I can see the health of the services. You can see here the disk, IHOPS, all the critical alerts, what's used, what's not used, and so forth. It's really amazing. And again, like I show you the VM tab, I can go ahead, shut down a VM, turn backup VM on, and so forth. So let's just shut it down one VM to show you how this app works. So like this one, if I go ahead and hit press stop, it's actually failed to receive the VM details. So that one may be a bad one. So, and a lot of times I'm doing this live, so expect something to always not work out right. And so let's go ahead and hit stop. I'm stopping this one on one. It says stopping. It's stopped. Sometimes some VMs are not configured, but this one you can see is configured correctly and it's stopped fine. And I can see the details of the VM, what's the configuration and so forth. And I can clone it. In fact, let's clone it. Hit clone. It's going to tell you what's the clone name. That's it. adcon01 and clone is initiated and clone is done. So let's go back to the VM list. We should see adcon01. Sometimes it does take a little bit for refresh. Here it is. It's done. This is some of the things we can do that you think is nothing, but it's actually a time saver for IT administrators. So if you're somebody who is an IT admin, you have to use AI, if for nothing else, to make your life easier. This is what I do. I am busy working 9 to 5, but when I'm not working, I like to figure out a way to make things easier for me. Especially, I love doing home labs. I love learning more new skills. And I feel like learning is the way to live nowadays. You can never know too much. And so this is a way for me to stay on the know and without worry about managing the server or the nitty-gritty stuff on the back end. So this is really good. And then you have network over here. It will tell you my network, my VLAN, gateway, health of it, which is again another very important thing. So you can see the health, any alerts I have. And then I made the audit. It gives me all the audit, real-time audit log, traffic, which is very important. It will give me all the network traffic situation going on in my server. So you can see if the server is sending too much traffic. I'm going to be able to see that because there's no reason why server should be sending crazy number of traffic elsewhere. So this is again designed to keep my mind ease from managing multiple things and also trying to run a home lab and trying to do a nonprofit run, in this case, helping out people, coaching soccer. I'm a busy man. I'm a father as well. So this is going to make things easier for me. And obviously it's not ready. It's not production ready. Once it is, I may be able to share this with the YouTube members for iTeach that's been supporting us so they can run something similar. But again, this is just a piece of the cake. There's a lot more to this. This includes a lot more like Microsoft 365 management. I'm going to build out the system to be the most robust IT management / personal management. You can see the personal management over here. So what do you guys think? Would you be finding this type of system useful for your life? Do you run a hypervisor? Do you want to run a home lab? And do you know what's going on with your home lab? Would you want to be able to have a tool that can give you in the known for your home lab? If so, this is why you should get into Google Integravity. Integravity is not just for developer, it's for everybody that wants to enhance their life. So with that said, I'm going to leave you with this. AI, there's a lot of scariness going on with it, but if you are somebody who's going to use it for the right reasons, you'll strive. You'll become better skilled employee, better skilled entrepreneur, better skilled of anything you want to do. Don't be scared of AI. Embrace it. That's all I leave you with it. Until next time, have a good rest of the day. Peace.